In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Payhip account. We'll go step by step together so you can follow along on your own screen and be ready to start selling or sharing your digital products by the end. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you like to use. In the search bar at the top, type Payhip and press enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Payhip website, which is usually at the very top. Make sure you click the real site, not an ad or anything that looks suspicious. Once you've confirmed it's the official Payhip page, go ahead and click it to open the website. When the Payhip homepage loads, look for the button that says Get Started for Free. This is usually clearly visible near the top of the page. Click on Get Started for Free. Payhip allows you to start without any upfront payments, which is great if you're just getting started. Now you'll see the sign-up form to create your account. Here, you'll be asked for a few basic details. Start by entering your first name, then your last name. Next, type in the email address you want to use for your Payhip account. It's best to use an email that you check regularly, because this is where you'll receive important notifications. After that, choose a strong password. Make sure it's something you can remember, but not something that's easy for others to guess. When you're happy with your details, scroll down if needed and click the button that says Create Account. Give the page a moment to load. After that, Payhip will prompt you to set up your store name. This is the name your customers will see, so choose something that represents your brand or the type of products you want to sell. Type in your store name, then click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose a store username. This is often used in your store's URL. You can keep it simple, and it can be the same as your store name if that's available. Once you've entered a username you're happy with, click Get Started Selling. Payhip will now take you to your main dashboard. This is your control center where you'll be able to add products, customize your store, and manage your sales. And that's it. Your Payhip account has been created and you're ready to move on to setting up your store.